A very good morning to all the judges. My name is Clarissa Michael and we're from Team 3.
And I'm Vahini.
My name is Dia Kistina.
And my name is Daniel Teacher.
We are from 1 Lizora. Our school name is SMK Puteri Titiwangsa, which is located at Jalan Temerloh, Titiwangsa. Today, we're going to explain how to cook food using chips bag, sunlight, and trash. Yes, it is possible.
Welcome to Snack Light Heat, the world's first fireless microwave made from trash. It's an innovative way to cook food without using electricity or fire.
That's right. Instead of relying on electricity and gas, we can use reflective snack bags and recycle box to focus the sun rays and cook food, just like a solar-powered microwave. This is about using trash and renewable energy to cook food sustainably and creatively.
So here's the deal. We use ordinary chips bag, which we normally throw away, and turn them into a solar-powered cooking device.
The shiny surface of the snack bags reflects sunlight and directs it onto the food. This creates enough heat to cook the food inside.
By reflecting the sun's energy onto the food, we're creating a safe, energy-efficient cooking environment. This shows how we can repurpose everyday material to harness renewable energy.
Let's break it down. The sunlight hits the shiny chips bag, which reflects it to the food. This creates just enough heat to cook it.
We position the snack bags to reflect sunlight onto a small area, generating enough heat to cook the food inside.
This is solar energy in action. No fire, no electricity, just sunlight and trash. It's all about focusing that the sunlight shines onto the food to get the right temperature for cooking.
This isn't just about cooking food. It's about reducing waste and using renewable resources for a better future.
By using snack bags and a box that will usually end up in the trash, we are showing you how trash can be repurposed to create energy.
We're also helping to reduce our carbon footprint by relying on solar energy instead of using fossil fuels. It's proof that if we think creatively, we can turn trash into something useful and sustainable.